Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to create an event on Facebook step by step. Whether you're planning a small gathering or a big online event, Facebook makes it super easy to spread the word. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Step 1. First things first, log into your Facebook account. Make sure you're using the right account if you have multiple profiles. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click on the menu icon. You'll usually find this at the top or in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines or a grid. Step 3. Next, click on the arrow to see all your profiles. This is especially important if you manage multiple pages or profiles. Step 4. Select the page you want to use to create the event. If you're hosting this event through a specific page, make sure you've selected the right one. Step 5. Now, go back to the menu and look for the Event option. Click on it to start creating your event. Step 6. At the top of the Events page, you'll see a plus icon. Click on this to begin setting up your event. Step 7. This is where the fun begins. Enter the event name, date, and time. You'll also need to specify whether the event will take place in person or virtually. Make sure this information is accurate as it helps your attendees plan ahead. Step 8. Add as much information as possible to make your event stand out. This could include a detailed description, an eye-catching cover photo, and any important links or contact details. The more information you provide, the more likely people will engage with your event. Step 9. Finally, when everything looks good and you're happy with the details, click on Create an Event. And that's it. Your event is now live and ready to be shared with the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.